Android has always been the mobile operating system of choice for power users on the go. The OS allows for a lot more freedom than its Apple-made counterpart, from how you customize your home screen to what apps you install, even from outside of Google's own App Marketplace. One of the biggest differences, however, comes from rooting. While iOS has its own version of accessing system files in the form of jailbreaking, rooting an Android phone allows you to completely change nearly every aspect of your device, even down to the operating system your phone runs. While the rooting community isn't quite as large as it used to be, rooting your phone continues to be a major aspect of being an Android fanatic. But what if you aren't sure if your phone is rooted? While most devices feature pretty intensive processes for gaining root access to your phone, if you happened to buy your phone used, you might not be sure that your phone showed up unrooted, and that can be a problem, especially if you bought your phone advertised as rooted out of the box. Whatever the reason for checking for root access, it's super easy, so grab your phone and let's get started. There are a few ways you can go about this, including using ADB commands on your PC to check for root. But honestly, you can skip all of that. Just hop into the Play Store and download any one of the many root checker apps. If you want to stick to just one, developer Joey Krim's root checker is trusted by more than 50 million users, and it works in just a few seconds. Download the app, run the test, and you'll be able to view whether or not root access is available on your device. Root Checker can also check for things like super user privileges, but you'll have to pay to upgrade the app for those features. Still, for 99% of users, the free app will tell you instantly if your phone is rooted, without having to mess around with your PC to find out. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Android and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.